Okay, so everybody look over here on the side. Let's get you set up on how to do this, okay? So once you have that letter completed, then you need to go into Pixlr Editor E, like this. You're going to go on Create New. You're going to go over here and do this little landscape one like we've been using, okay? Now, we're going to put an image in here. I think I would suggest putting an image in here. So we're going to look for sunsets. So we're going to go into our Google Images and look for a sunset that we want to use. And maybe I'll use this one. And then we'll copy that image and then paste it into our design, our Pixlr Editor. And then we're just going to make this bigger. And we're going to fill the whole thing. So this is going to be kind of a cool background. Now, your background could really be almost anything that you want it to be. And what I mean by that is it could be, let's say if it's a boxing theme, it could definitely be like a boxing, like a picture of a boxer, or if it's a running theme, it could be on a track. So the image in the background should still relate to what's going on in the quote. Now, we don't want this image to be super important as far as there we go. As far as like important in the image and in the design, because right now it's really, really bright. So what we'll do is we're going to make sure we're on this layer right here. And then you see these three little buttons by layers. You click on that, and then you'll see opacity. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this layer subtle like this. It's just going to calm it down. You may even see some of the checker marks coming through the background. That's okay. When we print, you will not see the checker marks, obviously, right? You'll just see a subtle design here. And then that's where we're going to keep it, is right there, a nice subtle background. And then you're going to go into your text, okay? And we're going to pick a font. So we're going to click in here, and we're going to pick a font that we want. And some people may want more of a cursive font. Some people may want more of a impactful font. Some people may want more of a funkier font. But let's just say we're going to do this one. And maybe we're not going to do that one. Get me out of it. Okay, bye-bye. So we'll pick one that's not one you have to purchase. So let's do this one right here. And then we're going to change the size of it here, right? So it fits your text here. And then if you have to edit the text, this will help highlight. And then we could make it, we could make it curved. We can make it outline. We can make it shadow. There's other things you could do to it. There's also the format as far as like how you're going to wrap it. Like if you want it all from the left or wrapping when it gets to the right, if we want to make it bold, italicized, whatever. And the color of it, we could change the fill color. If we don't like that color, maybe we want more of a black in there because it works better with my design. And then that's how you set this up. Now, we're also going to move it. So we might move it like over here. And then once it's set up where you want it, where you think you can see it the best, then you're going to go back and you're going to take a picture of your first letter with your web camera, and then you're going to open it. You're just going to go File, Open Image, and then you're going to paste it in here for your deal. Now, remember, there's lots of different ways to erase that background. Some of you are going to have to be erasing. Some of you might be able to get by with your wand tool. But that is basically how I would do your quotes, okay? It could be on a baseball field, football field, whatever.